Alright, this is question 2, part A. Alright, it asks us to write the equation of the following line in point slope or slope interest form. So, part A says m equals, the slope is negative 2 over 3 and it's passed through points 3 over 4. Negative 3 comma 4. So we can use the formula y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. So we can plug in, let's start by plugging in, and this will be our x, y right here. Alright, so that will be y minus 4 equals negative 2 over 3 x minus negative 3. Just like that. Alright, so we can start up by the parentheses. So just distribute this. Just bring this down. Y minus equals negative 2 over 3x, and this will eliminate this 3 and negative will eliminate this, so it'll just be minus 2. So now we just need to bring this downward. Now we just need to get rid of the 4, negative 4. So if we add 4 here, then add 4 here, this will give us y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 2. And that will be our answer for A. All right. B, it says the line passes through points negative 1 over comma 2 and 2 comma 3. So we'll just use for this formula, m equals y2 minus y1 or x2 minus x1. So that will, let's plug in those numbers. So it would be 3 minus 2 over 1 over, not 1, 2 minus negative 1. Alright, this would be 1, this would be like, composite, 1 over 3. Alright, 1 over 3 would be our slope. Okay. Now we'll just plug 1 over 3 into this formula and pick one of the points. Alright, we'll plug into this formula, so that will be y equal, we're going to use 0.3 over 2, just 2 over 3. So it'd be y equal, y minus 3 equals 1 over 3x minus 2 over 3. 2 over 3. No, not 8. Minus x minus 2. Alright, so then we just distribute that 1 over 3 into the x minus 2. So that will be 1 over 3x minus 2 over 3. Also, we just need to bring this down also. Y, okay. Alright, flip it over so we can get more room. Y. 3 equals 1 over 3x minus 2 over 3. Alright, now we have to plug it into standard form, so that's going to be y equals 1 over 3x minus 2 over 3 plus 3. That will equal y equals 1 over 3x minus 2 over 3 plus 9 over 3. And that will be y equals 1 over 3x plus 7 over 3. So we're going to add these together. And to get rid of the 3 down here, we're going to times everything by 3. So it can be what? Going to be 3y equals x plus 7. I'm going to subtract x plus 7, so more 0 left. And this would be our answer. Negative x plus 3y equals 7. Alright, C gives us a table and we have to write the equation. We have to find the slope and y-intercept so we can write it into standard form. So we can find the slope by seeing the change in the x and the change in the y. So this goes by 3. It adds 3 every time to the next one, and this one adds 4. Adds 4 every time. So our slope would be 3 over 4. Because the formula is y equals mx plus b. B would be the y-intercept. So we have to find our y-intercept. That would be here. So our y-intercept would be 2. So we plug all this into formula. So it would be y equals 3 over 4 plus 2. Like I said, the slope would be 2. So it would be y x 3 over 4 plus 2. So now we have to plug it back into the formula we used earlier, which is y equals y minus y1 equals m plus x minus x1. And we just pick a random. We can pick any. We can pick any point, so we can also use 0, 2 like we used over here. So it's gonna be y minus, this is us plugging it in, y minus 3 over 4 over x minus. So like we did earlier, we just distribute out the 3 over 4 so that we because we won't need to do anything to the 0 anything times divided by 0 times 0. It's 0, so we don't have to add anything back there. All right. Now we just have to get rid of this. So we'll just add 2 because y equals 3 over 4 x plus 2, and that will be our final answer. Oh, what will be our